Hey guys, this is Chris from Gadget Voice, and as you're already aware, Huawei is creating an ecosystem around its new operating system called Harmony OS. So this is one of their first products. It's a tablet from Huawei which runs on Harmony OS. It's called the MatePad Pro, and I have two different accessories that go along with the MatePad Pro. One is the smart magnetic keyboard over here, and the other is the M Pencil that also goes along with the MatePad Pro. So we're going to unbox all the three devices. So let's start with unboxing. So this is the Huawei MatePad Pro. This is the first tablet from Huawei that runs on the Harmony OS, which is the new operating system from Huawei. It comes with a 12.6-inch screen. So let's quickly open up the box and look at how the tablet looks like. So that is the tablet. Let me just remove it. As you can see, the quality of the device is pretty nice. You have the cameras over here, the camera module. I'll just quickly keep this aside and dig deeper into the box. So we'll remove this and see what we have here. So we have the charging cable over here, which is the USB Type-C cable, and we also have the converter over here for USB-C to 3.5 mm. So you can use your headphones along with the tablet as well. So I'll keep this aside as well. And we have the charging adapter. Which is a supercharge adapter. So as you can see, the USB Type-C cable also comes with a purple color connector. So this means this is a supercharge cable from Huawei. I'll keep this aside as well. And that's all we have in the box. So the tablet is pretty nice to look at, and the build quality is pretty solid. The design is also pretty good, and as you can see, there's a Harmony OS that comes up. And let me quickly look at the screen. So this is how the screen looks like. So if you go to settings, for example, go down about tablet and you will see Harmony OS logo over here. So this is a device that runs on Harmony OS, and it comes with the Huawei Kirin 9000E processor. It comes with 8 GB of RAM, and you have 256 GB of storage space that comes with the on the tablet. It's a nice looking operating system. It's very similar to the Android user interface, and it's very clean. So you have the Petal Maps over here, which is again part of the Huawei App Gallery. So if you go into the Huawei App Gallery, you will be able to install all the apps. So let's quickly connect to the internet. Okay, so it's connected to Wi-Fi. So we'll just get into the App Gallery. So this is your app store, and you will be able to install all sort of apps from here. So you can see there's Likee, there's Snapchat, there's banking apps like Emirates NBD, for example. You have TikTok and lots of games as well. So the app gallery is installed on this device, and it runs on Harmony OS, as I mentioned before. And you'll be able to access all sorts of apps, whether it's games. Everything can be accessed from the app gallery. So again, it's quite smooth to use. So the Huawei MatePad Pro is very thin and light. The design is also very nice, very sturdy looking, and of premium quality as well. And if you look on both the sides, you'll be able to see that there's stereo speakers on both the sides of the device. So you have the speaker grills here, and the USB-C port over here for charging and for transferring data to and from the device. And on the other side as well, you will be able to see there are speaker grills as well over here, and that's the power button right on the top. So on this side, you will be able to see that there is a volume rocker here and the noise cancellation microphones. And on this edge, there is a SIM slot, so you can insert a SIM and use the data connection for the tablet as well. And it's a pretty nice looking tablet. It is an olive green color. So that was the Huawei MatePad Pro. Let's quickly move over to the accessories of the MatePad Pro. So the first thing we have over here is the Huawei Smart Magnetic Keyboard that is compatible with the Huawei MatePad Pro. So let's quickly open the box and see how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. It's an elegant looking tablet case, and it comes with the keyboard as well. So this is how the case looks like. As you can see, it's a very nice looking case. So this is the smart magnetic keyboard that works with the MatePad Pro. In order to connect the MatePad Pro to the cover, is just simply place the tablet over here and magnetically attaches to the case. And in order to adjust it for your working for working on the tablet, there are two different positions that you can attach it depending on your comfort level. And once you connect the tablet to the keyboard case, it will ask you whether you want to connect the keyboard via Bluetooth. You just click on connect and it starts connecting, and it is as simple as that. And you can start working on the tablet using the keyboard over here. The design of the keyboard case is pretty nice. It's very sturdy. So the smart magnetic keyboard has a very nice texture on top of it. So this is one of the accessories that works with the MatePad Pro. The next accessory is a smart pencil. So let's look at the M Pencil from Huawei. So the next accessory that we're going to look at is the M Pencil. That's the Huawei M Pencil that works with the MatePad Pro. Let's quickly open up the box and see what's inside. So that is the M Pencil that works with the MatePad Pro. And inside we have a set of tips for the pencil, and we also have the quick start guide. And so let's attach the M Pencil to the MatePad Pro. So we'll just open up the tablet, and the pencil goes right here. So you must have heard a sound. That means that it's connected. The M Pencil is connected to the MatePad Pro. So that was the Huawei MatePad Pro, and we have the smart magnetic keyboard as well, and the M Pencil. This is part of the super devices range from Huawei. They're creating an ecosystem around Harmony OS as well. We have lots of other products also coming in from Huawei, which are also part of the super devices range. We will be unboxing and reviewing those products as well. So stay tuned for all those videos on gadgetvoice.com.